Hi, let me show you how to easily create a quotation document. Let's say that I'm an exporter based in the USA and I want to quote my buyer for a 20-foot container of furniture to be shipped to Australia. So at the top, I select my seller. I can select from my list or click Create New to create and save new company details. Let's say ABC Exports. Then I select the buyer, method of dispatch, C, type of shipment, FCL, port of loading is Long Beach, port of discharge, Sydney. On the right, I enter my quote number and date. Terms of payment, let's say 50% deposit, balance on bill of lading. Then I enter the products into my quote document. I can select the products from my list or click Create New to create and save new products. Let's select bar stools. All of the information is entered. I just have to enter the unit quantity. Add more products, click Add Line, and then select more products as I need. At the bottom, I can add any additional surcharges or freight surcharges here. I can add any additional notes or information for the buyer over here. And then I select the IncoTerms. FOB at Long Beach. I select the currency. And then at the bottom, I sign and date the document. Place of issue is Long Beach. Date. Signatory company is my company. Name of authorized signatory is my name. Then I can sign the document using my mouse. Or, if I have already created my profile signature, I can insert the profile signature here. At the top, I reconfirm the reference number, and that's it. I click Save, and the document will be created. On the left, the document will show exactly as I created it on my screen. On the right, I can click to download or print the document as I need. The PDF document will download and show exactly as I created it earlier.